Right, so let's come out here, Brian Riphar's Backyard Motor Road, for a quick track run. Basically, you've got the lower loop in this tunnel here, comes out of this tunnel here, goes through the gate, circles around this way, up onto the viaduct, and back through this gate. Wow, is that a trip hazard? And throw the switch track up in the second tunnel. Well, that's a little bit steep there. And in the second tunnel, and up to the upper loop. Let's see. Under the upper loop. Switch track onto the upper loop. I'll cover this one in a second. Upper loop track. Oh. I'm beat, I tell you what. I haven't slept for like 3 days. Past this 13.8 power line. 7200 volt power line. Still on the upper loop, still on the upper loop. Over top the connecting track for the lower loop and upper loop. And now I throw this switch here, and that brings us onto the siding and the loop turnaround track. Basically makes a big ass bend. Got a little siding here. Onto the turnaround track, and back on the upper loop in the opposite direction. Watch out for that low-hanging power line there. And throw the switch and back on the connecting track between the upper and lower loops in the tunnel. Search for the low-hanging power lines down here. Out of the tunnel down here, heading around this way. And onto the lower loop. We're out of freaking steam here. Past the bridges, viaduct, around the front of the house. Back here through the gate. And down here through this tunnel. And that is a complete circuit of my backyard road track.